Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download eFootball 2026 patch, which is ePatch 2026 version 31.0, presented by MODY 99. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download it, extract and install it. What I have to do is to scroll all the way down and you can read the features. According to him, it is compatible with online mode game version 5.0. So all you have to do is to scroll down and download the two parts, part 1 and part 2. I've already done that. So we're going to install it. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. But the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have turned off your Windows Defender so that it won't eat up the files. Don't worry, there's no virus in this file. It's just something that I used to normally do if I want to install things like this. So you can see right here it is turned off. So let's go back. What we have to do is to extract it. So we're going to highlight, right click and extract. So just wait for it. Now after that, open the folder. You're going to see the patch over here. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. It's going to take time to load, but while it loads, you go to your Steam and accept the permissions. So go to your Steam, go to eFootball, right click, go to manage and browse location files. So this is where I installed eFootball. So this is the location we are going to install the patch to. This location. We're going to paste it here. Click to go and install. We're going to wait for it. It might open some tabs, just close it. ePatch 2026 has been installed successfully, so click on finish. So we're going to launch the game to see if it worked perfectly fine. As you can see right here, the patch works perfectly fine. Most of the leagues are licensed. That's all for this video. I hope you find this helpful. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to a game where the main talking point so far is the weather. Snow in the air and on the ground, and it may very well have an impact on the players' performances and perhaps even the result.
I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter. It's great to be on board.
Well, it looks like a big game, sounds like a big game. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it. Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained. But if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.